Isang gabi pala noon sa silangan ay masungit, niwalang hamog sa lupa, ni bituin sa langit.
Sometimes I forget my mother too is a daughter. This year is my mom's first year without her own mother. But Mama, remember how you always say my pain is your pain? Well, my heart split when you curled into me when Grandma passed on. So I hope with this painting, I bring her back even for a split second. For you, Mama, who was the first person to teach me how to love, how to long, how to thrive. And for you, Grandma, who taught me how to make sense out of letters, how to read, how to write, to tell and accept stories. For you.